Yebo ke sana-ke amehlo akho awakukhohlisi inhlobo. Indeed, the streets have started talking about this again. If you guys remember, there were rumors going around some time ago saying that uMaNgwabe is allegedly expecting another bundle of joy, but the person or persons who had spotted her had said that they weren't sure whether it was just weight gain or indeed a sign that the fourth wife of Umseleku is expecting another child. USekhaya wakhomenta wathi bahlali baseMzumbe sicela nivule i-ghost account please, we can't teach you everything, siyanazi ninazo izindaba xa niyamsaba ubabakhe. Hhayi ke khona ozile phambili but wakhetha ukuyifihla. Uthi ke u-Anonymous nitsho xa seniredi ndinibalisele nge-pregnancy yalo sisi osegeyithini. And the interaction on this post was insane, guys. Uphola uphendulile wathi bakhona yini abantu baseMzumbe apha? Hayi shem, abazithandi indaba tu. Uthandeka wakhomenta wathi uMakhwela lo okhulelwe, hayi uMaNgwabe. And then uHlelume wathi uMakhwela unengane ewumfana sewateta. Wareplya ke u-Anonymous wathi bathi noMaNgwabe naye usezithwele. uBatsumi ke uyamvumela ku-Anonymous uthi uMaNgwabe too is also pregnant. And then uMbali uthi uye kodwa Umseleku omithisile lapho yini, which is a valid question on one hand because the math is not mathing. Thina sazi ukuthi uMaNgwabe kade wayikhipha kuMseleku noMseleku wazwayisholo yena ukuthi uMaNgwabe akafuni ukumnika okwaseKamerweni. So now umitha njani yabo? So I get the question, but at the same time, she is still married to Umseleku. So we have to keep in mind when we share our opinions on this show that we love so much. Nangu-ke naye uZandi ebavumela ethi yebo, and then uMamhlophe naye ethi ayinuki ingosiwe. uBahle-ke yena wathi heavily preg ugcwele indlu. uMbalenhle-ke waresponda kuleyo comment wathi mina ngiyajabula yazi, mhlambe noMusa uzoyeka ukukhuluma kambi sengathi engathola umfana. uFefe-ke yena uthi but naye uMaNgwabe uzikhuluma kabi yo. And then uSamke uthi nambandla ngingamjabulela kakhulu nje uMaNgwabe nami gayizini yo. This would be so good for me personally because I don't want any of the wives to leave. I feel like they can work it out, angazi kanjani. But if this news is true, yo, it would mean a lot for the family as a whole nje ngempela. Wakhomenta-ke uMpilonhle wathi usathi uyamala umuntu avele akumithise uyalazi ibhadi. And then aphenduleke uBahle athi yo mina ngingahamba nje naso leso sisu phofu andi-understandi ulala njani naye ekubeni so decidile uba uyamshiya. Mna vele ndimonyani umuntu xa sendidecide ukumshiya. uMpilonhle aphendula athi ayi nina niyacasula yazi nihisha ngebhiya. I do agree nami, it does not make sense, which is why a huge part of me does not believe this rumor. But then again, to be honest, even before we knew that uMakhwela was even pregnant, people kept telling us ukuthi how indaba endala leyo seze wateta utete umfana njengoba nje sibabona bekhomenta kwama-comment section. So obviously siphila phakathi kwabo abantu baseMzumbe, but ke mina ngithanda into ukuyikhola sengiyibonela ngawami amehlo because masizokhola yonke into esiyifundayo la then sizogcina sesisangana ngempela, ngoba ngempela abanye abantu bashiya izinto just because they wanna trend, they wanna be the first to break a story. Uthole ukuthi leso story samanga, so nami angithandi vele ukukhola yonke into engiyifundayo. But if it is true, then it means iphupho likaMacele naye Umseleku lifezekile, because remember they talked about how awesome it would be if she were to give birth to a boy because there are more girls than boys emndenini kaMseleku. Enye-ke into bese ngiyicabangela yona nje eceleni ukuthi how things would have turned out if the first child was actually a boy instead of a girl. Would uMacele have taken that child under her wing like she did ngoSneh? Seeing as how important boys are in this family, kwisithembu nje in general. Uthando Luhleke yena wakhomenta wathi shuthi ubalekiswe ilokho if kuyiqiniso kudala amahlebezi esho ethi uneshende uyazigruvela futhi ukhulelwe. Unoma wamphendula wathi babebona ubhuti wakhe lo abahlangene naye ngebhizinisi akulona ishende. And then uDudes wathi ayisuka amahlebezi lawa aphashile ala ku Facebook ayesho njalo cause namanje basathi uMakhwela ukhulelwe umuntu kudala azala. Hayi ke niyazwela ke ukuthi nje ngempela if sokhola ngempela yonke into esifundayo then sizigcina sesisangana sesingazi sisikhole ini singakholwi ini. But ke until we see it for ourselves ukuthi uma Ngwabe is indeed pregnant, then ke sana I will believe it. Ngoba okwamanje nje mina ngazi ukuthi she is leaving that marriage. Nalokho futhi sizazokukhola mase sikubona cause asikholwa. So nje ilokho ke sana.